Hey everybody, you're on the GeekBox YouTube channel. Today I will tell you how to turn on Airplay on Roku TV. Let's go. Open Settings. Network. About. Your Apple device and your Roku TV must be connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Open Apple Airplay settings. Turn on. Require code. Choose first time only. Done. That's it. Now you know how to turn on Airplay on Roku TV. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to the channel. Good luck and see you soon.